Okay, so we're looking at 6.8 animation. So read the information about the animation lesson and look at the slides. You can watch the videos there. They give you some good information about global variables and why they're important for animation. And then this bit of code, I got this from the slides. So I opened the slides PDF, I went and read the lesson, and then on the try it part, I copied and pasted this text into the try space there. And then when you run it, you get this animation, ball moving across the screen. If I want to make the ball higher, I could change one of these parameters here. Let's see, here they say y is 200, so I can make it 100, and it should go up across the top of the screen, right? If I make it like 400, it should go close to the bottom. Yeah, there it is. And I could also like make it change. Okay, so I could make y equal y plus 20. And maybe it'd be going like diagonally down, something like that. There it goes, diagonally down. And it just keeps on going instead of repeating. Maybe I need another if code like this. If y gets too low, like if y is greater than or equal to 1000, then set it back to 50. Okay, so then that should make it so it starts over, hopefully. There we go. Okay, so just so you understand the code, then you go to the next thing. You've got lesson practice. Okay. Go ahead and try it. Then you got the code practice. So you see this code in your programming environment. Using the code above, create your own animation. At a minimum, your animation should have 2 circles and 3 lines in it. Okay, so I got to remember how to make circles and lines. I got to look at what I just did. Some of that code there that I had here. All right. So, you can always start with copy and paste. Okay, so right where it says your code goes here, I'm going to paste my code. Now, sometimes the indent gets messed up, and the indent is important, so you got to fix that. I'm just hitting the tab button. Now, this X is inside the if command, so that's got to be indented farther. Okay, and I'm going to need, I know I need at least 2 circles and 3 lines, right? And then, so then let's also draw a line. I think that's too many parameters for a line. Let me try that. So just start with 3 of these things here, see if we get any errors. We've got to fix something right away. Well, we see, okay, we got some parentheses problems. No, that's okay. Okay, let's run it and see if we get errors. Okay, there's an error right there. X is not defined on line 7. Oh, it's a global variable, so you gotta define it somewhere, right? X, Y. Okay, so maybe we can make that 0. Okay, now I got a problem with this function, draw a line. It takes exactly 5 arguments. I only gave 4. Okay, well, I need another parameter here. Maybe I need the line thickness. That's what I need. So different thicknesses of lines. Point 2 must be a 2-element sequence on line 13. Okay, so it's got to go from X to Y. Maybe I should do that thing, like what I said, make Y move as well. All right, so if, and then that thing that resets it so that if it's too low, it goes off the screen. Then I'll have it back again. Okay. No, I still got a problem there. Point 2 must be a 2-element sequence. That's right. So I don't need to define line thickness, but I need to tell it where to stop. Okay, well, let's see if that makes any sense. Two, three. Oh no, I still need that number. Yeah. Then yeah, I should only have one color here because the line only has one color. I don't have like a fill and a border color. Just have one color. Okay, let's try that. Okay, I see my circle. I don't see my other stuff though. Okay, let's make this one. Maybe if I do something to move it somewhere else, I'll see it better here. Make it red and yellow. Gotta define my colors. RGB. Oh, okay. So here we go. Red equals 255.00. Try that. And just make that red too. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, so you can see two different circles, and one leaves a little bit faster. And the cool thing is that as you watch the animation, no, scratch that. Okay. Okay, so I've got my two circles. Maybe I could even make it a little bit farther apart so that you can really see them. There are the two circles. Now let's do those lines. Okay, the lines are an issue here. I don't see those yet. Okay, so I gotta try and make my lines show up here. So I tried putting some different values here because if it's just xy to xy, it's just a point, right? It doesn't actually have any length. So that's okay. Now you can see some of those lines. There's one sticking out there. Maybe I should make it go in the different direction here. Wonder what happened. What would happen if I made it? Maybe subtract. That's going to start at a different place, but it's still going to go diagonally down. I could have a different variable. I got to give these things starting values though, so then I'd have to take that out here. And maybe when I start them in the other corner of the screen. Okay, and then I got to make them global too, just like this, right? get some more colors here. Red, green, blue. So I want green. I just put that with the green. Oops. All right, blue. So I got some more colors, and I'll make that green and that one blue. And let's mess around with some of these starting points here. All right, so we messed around there. Let's run it, see if we get any problems. Yeah, we got a problem. Oh, we didn't give a starting value to z. Z equals z plus 1. W equals w plus 1. So I don't know if we'll need those if commands here, but let's try it like this. Okay, well, that's funny. You can see two of my lines pretty well, the blue and the green one. Okay, I want to see all three lines though. So they're all starting in the same place, which is the bottom. Let's try some just randomly putting in different things here. All right. Okay, there we go. Now you can see my three lines. They're not all pointing in the same direction. But you see as they get too low, they go off screen. So maybe I do want to put some if commands in there. If, well, just copy and paste. If that thing is more than 1,000, so it's like way off screen, if z or 1,000, then set it back to where it starts at 400. And same thing for w. Change the variable here. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so now those lines should come back once they get down to 1,000. Maybe 1,000 is too far, it takes too long. There, now they came back. Okay, well. Anyways, let's go ahead to the grader, see what it says. Cool, we passed. All right, and that'll do it.